Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. All right, it's that time of year again. You've got all kinds of sporting events. You've got festival things going on. You've got concerts. Nowadays, they have a lot of new rules in place when it's a public gathering. And one of those rules is no more concealed bags. They have to be clear and see-through like these two that you see up on the table now. These particular bags that I have on the table are made by Multiac. I've got two versions up here. I have a cross-strap bag and I have a belt bag, or what I call a fanny pack. Now, what makes these any different than any other ones? You're going to find out that, well, first of all, I'm going to tell you they're extremely well made. They use a polyurethane to actually make the bag itself, which makes it very see-through so that you can see what's in the bag, which is one of the things that you have to have at these functions. But that polyurethane also makes it humidity proof and waterproof. Now, when I say waterproof, what I'm talking about is if you get a light rainstorm or something, it's going to protect the contents inside the bag. These are not designed to go swimming in and fully submerge in water, because obviously zippers are not going to be waterproof. But this works great in the outdoors and keeping things dry if you are just wearing them and it is a light rainstorm. So let's go ahead and look at a couple of the specifics about the bag. So let's take a look at the cross-strap bag. The cross-strap bag has two compartments. One of them is open in the front, so you have quick access for things like your cell phone. You can put it in, reach in, get it out easily, or if it just needs to be something you've got to get quickly. And then it has the protected zipper bag on the back, which is really big back here, so you can put your wallet, you can put makeup, you can put whatever you need to put inside of that bag. Now, you're going to need to pay close attention to the zippers on any bag you get. All of the zippers on these bags, including the belt bags, are very heavy-duty, well-made zippers. If the zippers don't hold up, the bags are going to end up probably in the garbage, because it costs more money to replace a zipper than it does to go get another bag. So you want to pay close attention to that. You want to pay close attention to the stitching. All of their bags are double stitched all the way around it. Double meaning you have a strap coming through the side and you have one side stitched and then you have the other side stitched. When it's the cross bag like this one, they're using like a pleather bottom on it so that it does not mar up furniture, and it keeps it spread apart and holds up very, very well over time and doesn't just break out the bottom of the bag. Also, on the crossbody bag, it has the pleather type strap with an adjustable buckle here, so you can adjust this up to whatever size you need. If you don't like it, you can actually remove the entire strap and just carry the bag. When it comes to the belt bag or fanny pack, it has a very nice strap on this one as well, which is adjustable. And the clip on this is going to be a heavy-duty plastic where you just push in the ends and it's undone that quick. So you're not having to mess with a belt buckle on this. It's just that fast. Now, this one has a zippered top for the big compartment right here, and it has a zippered front. So you can take your cell phone, put it in the front compartment. Let's go ahead and open that up so you can see. And slide it in and zip it. And so now you're not going to drop your phone out. So if you're bent over somewhere picking something up and this is on your waist, you're not going to tip out the contents onto the ground. So this one has the same nice stitching. It does not have the piece across the bottom that the body bag has here. But what they have done is taking a really nice pleather piece around the sides, and they have double stitched that on each side of it. So in other words, this strip has two sewed areas, and this side is the same thing. So technically I have 4 sets of stitching holding this together when it comes to the body of the bag. So also the polyurethane, keep in mind guys, you can clean this extremely easy with some soap and water, and it looks just like new again. So overall guys, I think they're great little bags. If I was going to rate these on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars, because I think they're made to last a long time and they do everything that you're going to need them to do. So do yourself a favor and pick yourself up a set today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.